Hi, hope you guys are all doing great. A very important update coming to NEET exam. NEET PG 2023 will be the final of such exams and will be replaced with National Exit Test from December 2023. So this is one of the important updates we have right now, and this National Exit Test will serve as a common qualifying exam for all final year MBBS students, and also it will serve as a licensure exam to practice modern medicine, and it will serve as a merit-based admission process for PG courses, and finally it will also serve as a screening test for foreign medical graduates who are planning to practice in India. What could be the syllabus for NExT? What could be the type of questions that you might face in the exam? The pattern of questioning. I know you have all these kinds of questions which would definitely make you more anxious, but please keep in mind that the basic subject remains the same, and those who are focusing on mastering concepts by going through standard references will always have an edge over others in this cutthroat competition. So regarding the pattern of the exam, the type of questions, the syllabus, we'll keep a tab on the official websites, and as and when there are relevant updates, we'll get back to you with relevant videos.